Office Binder was a tool in Office 95 that grouped Word and Excel files together. It has been dead for 20 years. You need a specific unbinder tool to separate the files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an OBD file. Here's a sneak peek. An OBD file is an Office Binder and Diagnosis file, used to store diagnostic information and potentially bundle documents related to office productivity software. These files may contain data related to software performance, error logs, and configuration settings, aiding in troubleshooting and maintenance. The specific structure and content can vary depending on the software that created it. OBD files are typically structured in a proprietary format specific to the software that generates them. The internal structure may include headers, data sections, and metadata describing the diagnostic information. Reverse engineering or specialized tools may be required to fully interpret the contents of an OBD file, as the format is not generally publicly documented. The industry standard application for OBD is considered to be Microsoft Office from Microsoft Corporation. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows can detect the file but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the OBD file and select Open With. Try Microsoft Office as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. When your OBD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, use associated program. If an OmniBead document, open the file using OmniBead software. Next, rename restore. If an OpenOffice backup, rename the file extension to the original OpenOffice format, e.g. ODT, and try opening it. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If your apps can't interpret the OBD file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the OBD problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files. Show your support for detailed file guides by liking and subscribing before you finish up.